had given us 10 more seconds, I think we were both ended up crying. I like to see history kind of repeat itself.
What?
When Oli won his second Masters in '99, Sergio went below him. It was his first start there. And my first start was the year Sergio won, which is also, I guess it's like winning on Easter Sunday on his birthday. So I guess his retirement, to it for me. Just keep putting it on, at least somehow. I mean, I'm not looking forward to that. I can't really say much. Maybe you're going to have to ask him because I don't remember exactly what he said.
It's wonderful to see your work with history because history is important around here, and now you're a big part of it. Chairman? The Green Jackets.
Thanks, Jim. You're a great champion. We look forward to seeing you, all of us, I guess, the National look forward to seeing you here, competing many years and wearing the green jacket. And speaking of that, we'd be honored if you placed the green jacket on John. Sir?
How is that sodium?
Congratulations, John.
Oh, I just missed the damn green jacket presentation.